Hi, I'm Titus. I'm an open source developer with Selenium and a developer advocate at Sauce Labs. All developers and testers will recognize the immense value of having web development tools so easily accessible within the desktop browser. This video will show you how to leverage the power of this functionality while doing live testing in the Sauce Labs Real Device Cloud. So let's see this in action. From the Sauce Labs main page, click on Live Testing, then Cross-Browser Testing. Make sure you're on the Mobile Real tab. For this demo, I'm going to search for an iPhone. You should know that we've had support on Android with Chrome DevTools for a while, but now it loads in seconds, so it's a significantly improved experience. I'm going to start with the phone on the Sauce demo site, and we'll just take this iPhone 11 here. So the brand new feature is the iOS Safari Web Inspector. Everything that is available in the Safari DevTools is available to Sauce users. This feature will prove essential for users limited to working with Windows machines or without access to iOS devices in general. We all know there's differences between mobile and desktop, different form factors, responsive web design implementations, different devices, all kinds of reasons that you might want to dig into the internals of a page on a mobile device. The important button is in the lower right here. When you click that, it opens up developer options, including the new DevTools tab. This is the normal elements view where you can inspect the DOM tree. Let's dial in here until we get to the credentials section, and I'll just delete it. Let's say I want to see what it looks like to move things around in the form. And now the password is above the username. I can go to the interactive console now and do a quick search for an element. And there it finds my element. I can go to the network tab. Let me log in with a username and password. And you can see that the calls were made to get a new page. And I'll go to the storage tab and find where our login information is. Right, it's a cookie, session username. Okay, let's end the session. Go to the lower right and click End. We can name the test and mark it as passing. Then save it, and it takes us to the test details page. There are so many use cases that this feature will help address. For more information, take a look at our documentation at docs.saucelabs.com. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by email, help@saucelabs.com. Thank you.